I am creating Dr. Personal Portfolio website via the Vibe coding. So that is I am using Cloud AI. So I am giving the prompt. So this is the prompt. So now run the prompt. So after done, we will make it live. So wait and see. Now almost completed. So my PD message already limited. So now I am downloading this file. Almost okay file. So download. So now created file, click open this and click the download. So now okay, so this is the doctor. So this is the completely modern UI. Also this your mouse is showing nice. Also our destination, also this, and this is also the animation to change. So book a consultation here, name, first name, and also here showing this. Then finally we are getting this the footer, also for social media, also here the this also. So we'll make it live now. So go to the GitHub and create a repo. Now check the repo name is this and the description is this. So now I am adding the readme file and putting here MIT. So now make it fix repo. Okay, now we will upload this file. So now update this file. Now upload the file is here. So go to the inside the index that make it date in the index.html index file, make it so it will live. So we will make it live. So just commit this. After the commit, go to the setting and click the pages and click the main branch and click save it. Now it will make it live. So just wait and go to here and click the portfolio and you will getting here, just waiting for something. So when you reloading this page, so clicking here pending, click this and click the details. So I know click the details, making the live. So going to build, click the deploy and complete the deploy, you will showing the deploy. So report build the status. So when completed the job, so deploy to GitHub pages. So now done. So click here, check. This is our live website. So this is our live website. So I am going the live website URL is here. So we are updating the GitHub. So GitHub, click this here. Now we are making this the readme file. So wait and see. So now I am copying from the readme file from the ChatGPT and paste here and run the commit sense. So commit sense, click. Now updating, just click the portfolio. So this is the Dr. Modern portfolio and this is the live URL. So live URL is showing fine. Research, award, contact, book consultation here. So everything is working fine. So this is my GitHub Pro and you can copy this file. So contact any issue, you can contact me. Thank you. Best of luck.